This is Cyndy G, and in this video we're going to assemble the Dracula belly box. So my box itself comes in two pieces, and I just want to go along and fold it on the score lines. And then I want to attach my two pieces. And I want to make sure that I'm putting my tab on the inside of my box so that it's covered by Dracula's shirt. So I'm going to just going to line this up. Okay. And then at this point, you have a couple of different options. You can go ahead and glue your box together, glue it up, put your tabs on the outside, and you can cover all your tabs with your panel pieces. Or you can cut two sets of these three panel pieces and you can glue your tabs to the inside and glue your panels inside and out. Or the way that I'm going to do it, I'm just going to glue my panel pieces to the outside. And when I make my box, I'm going to glue my tabs to the inside. I don't think they show that much, so I don't mind having them on the inside of my box. But that's just a personal preference. So this is the outside of my box, and I'm putting my panels on while my box is flat, which is why I have chosen not to cover my tabs, because I think for me it's easier and I can put my panel pieces on neater with my box flat. So there's a slight border all the way around, and you just want to center your panel piece. Just eyeball that and center it in there. And then flip your box over. Now, Dracula has a cape and shirt. So just line that cape up to the bottom of the shirt. It's a little bit taller than the shirt is. And on this one, all the other belly boxes I've put the shirts on before the heads. But on this one, I'm going to put the shirt on after, I think. So now he does have some teeth. You're going to glue these behind right here in the mouth. You just want the two teeth to show. So you're just going to bring it up high enough until it looks like it's two separate teeth rather than one piece. Okay, so we're just going to glue these teeth in here. There we go. And then you can glue this piece onto the head. Don't put glue on the ears hang over. Now let me just double check. Well, it's still under his chin. I thought maybe it went over, and that's why it was a different size, but it doesn't. So you can go ahead and put your shirt piece on. And there it is. There is the Dracula belly box. Thank you for joining me.